Did you know that most people use interior cleaners that either clean very well but leave surfaces unprotected, or protect those surfaces but don't clean them very well? In this video, I'm presenting the new Clean by Pan the Organizer Interior Quick Detailer version 2.0. So one product that is designed to do both cleaning and protecting of the interior of your vehicle. In this video, you're going to see a demo. I'm going to talk about the differences between V2 and the V1 formula that we launched many months ago at this point. Of course, how to use it properly and why interior quick detailers are one of the easiest ways to maintain your car's interior. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dive right into it. Crazy good video today, brand new product launch. And again, you guys notice, it's the Clean by Pan the Organizer Interior Quick Detailer version 2.0. How do you distinguish, by the way, before we start, version 2 from version 1? Very simple. On the label, where you see the logo, on the dot, there's an Easter egg. You're going to see V2 in that dot, and also up top where you see this color band, you're going to see V2 as well to easily distinguish it from V1, which does not have that. By the way, I'll make sure to include the links to all of this stuff in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So let's talk about it. What is different version 2 to version 1? Why did we even have to come up with a V2 if V1 was already so good, right? There were a few tweaks that we did, new formulations. We're always looking for R&D, of course, pushing the envelope. I'm also seeing what other competitors are doing, and sometimes it's also viewer feedback. You guys have purchased a lot of Clean by Pan products. I'm very thankful, by the way, you guys have made this successful from the get-go in September 2024 when we first launched. And I had always promised you that I would keep innovating or pushing the envelope and bringing tweaks when tweaks are needed, or when you guys give feedback of stuff you'd like to improve. Sometimes it can just be a fragrance. Sometimes it's potential streaking in certain conditions with certain types of products, better user experience, or for example, the tire dressing V2, you guys prefer a water-based, so we went from a solvent to a water-based dressing, so on and so forth. So in the lineup, we released a lot of V2 products, including the shampoo V2, the water spot remover V2, the interior quick detailer V2, the exterior quick detailer V2, the ceramic spray sealant version 2.0, the panel prep spray version 2, the tire dressing V2. All of that stuff, by the way, you can find at the House of Rags or on the cleanbypan.com website. And also those, depending on when you're watching this video, will also eventually trickle down to Amazon. It's always a little longer for Amazon to get this stuff. I digress. Back to version 2. The major differences with V2 is that this one can now be diluted. Yes, so even more value for your money. So look here, this is one of the feedback that we got. Is there any way to make it more concentrated? And yes, we did. So when you look at the dilution ratios in the back, we have heavy duty cleaning. More on that in just a second, because this doesn't mean this is a full-blown dedicated interior cleaner, guys. You have to be very careful. This just means this is for your heavier type use. You can leave it either undiluted, use neat, or diluted 1-to-1. When doing dilutions, like with any product, ideally you'd use distilled water or demineralized water. Using tap water for shelf stability of your products isn't the best because there's minerals inside there. So you can alter the chemistry of regardless which product or which brand you're diluting. So use the best quality water possible. The next one, for medium duty cleaning, you can dilute, look here, all the instructions, 1-to-4 up to 1-to-8. And last but not least, for your light duty cleaning, you will dilute 1-to-10 up to 1-to-12. Note, for carpets and fabrics, because you can use this on multi-surfaces, you're going to want to dilute 1-to-1 and blot with a microfiber towel at the end of your cleaning process to make sure there's no moisture left behind. So read the instructions, very simple. You either spray on a towel, which I like, by the way, the Clean by Pan Jobber 350. This is a partnership with the House of Rags for the towels, 16-inch by 16-inch, 350 GSM. Look how precisely this is cut. There is no edge, so it's an edgeless towel. I like it in white because you can actually see the dirt that you're wiping off when you're working with this. And it's just a beautiful towel. South Korean, 100% South Korean made. And it's dual-sided, so on one side you have kind of a lighter pile. I don't know if you can focus on that. There you go. And then on the other side, just a slightly thicker pile, but overall 350 GSM, again 16 by 16, perfect for any interior use. Even for outside, you want to remove polishes and things like that. I have a video on all the Clean by Pan microfiber towels and wash mitts, but I like to pair these two together. They're a fantastic workhorse. You can dilute this so you're getting more value for money. We also increased the cleaning power slightly on this one, so more cleaning power. And V2 compared to V1, as you're going to see in the demo, has also a light foaming action now. So V1 would not foam. And I think a lot of people wanted that foamy action. Well, not only because it's visually interesting, but you can visually see also the work that you're doing. So either if you spray this on the surface or on your towel, when you're starting to agitate or rub with the towel, you should see some light foaming. But for the most foaming is when you're spraying on that surface and you're going to use a detailing brush. So the Clean by Pan, the organizer soft tip brush, they come in a pack of 2, and these 2, by the way, now are made in South Korea, super high quality. So you get the big one and the small one in the pack. So these are your synthetic soft, these are kind of like makeup brushes, right? They're so soft. So for your delicate interior surfaces, your gloss black surfaces, your infotainment displays, things like that. If you want to agitate with the V2, you're going to have some nice foaming action. If you want something a bit stronger, we have boar hair version as well. If you want to do your gas pedals and things like that, or harder plastics, or you want a stiffer type thing, you can also use these on the exterior, both of these depending on what your needs are. So we have a big and a small boar hair brush in the Clean by Pan, the organizer lineup. So when you're agitating V2 now, you're getting that light foaming action. So those are the biggest things. We've also addressed the fragrance. So all my fragrances are meant to be very kind of light, not overpowering, not overbearing, just something pleasant to use. Now for V1, some users were noting that sometimes it smelled a little vinegary to them. That was due to the cleaning package that's inside there. So what we did with V2 was update the fragrance or the scent to something that's just light and fresh and gives you that kind of clean vibe when you're done using it. So it shouldn't smell like vinegar anymore for those who did. For me, it never did, even with V1. But scent, as you know, is very subjective, and this one just smells, yeah, well, like the Clean by Pan lineup, it smells nice and fresh, which is what we want for the interior, and nothing that will be overpowering or lasting, because you want to put your air freshener at the end, right? Whether if you have a BioBombs air freshener, BioFresh bar kind of thing, or whatever air freshener you like, this will not compete with that. So it's just when you're using it, it has that light, fresh, clean scent, and now it's dilutable. So more cleaning power, gentle foaming action. It's dilutable to different dilution measures here in the back. And it has, just like V1, it adds protection, slight UV protection, and also anti-static properties to help cut down on the amount of dust that accumulates over time. There's nothing miraculous against dust, but at least products with anti-static properties, they help cut down a bit on that interior dust. Now, before we get into the demo as well, I want to make sure that you guys understand the interior quick detailer. What that means, this is meant for your general maintenance. So this is a few weeks to about a month of protection at best. Quick detailers are not meant for your long-term protection. So do your full cleaning with a powerful interior cleaner first, prepare the surface, then apply whatever protection, long-term protection you guys want. Plastics coating, you can add a leather coating or a leather sealant, for example, on your leather or vinyl surfaces, so on and so forth. So once all of that is done, that heavy lifting and that heavy protection, your monthly maintenance or weekly or bi-weekly maintenance is done with something like this. So this is not made for your heavy-duty cleaning, although it still can do some pretty fantastic stuff, as you're going to see. Again, it's not made for your super heavy duty stuff. If you want heavy duty cleaning type products, you do have the PNS Express. That's an interior cleaner, so no protection in there. Also, you have the Shield and you have the Detail Co Sword. So the cleaner and the protectant, those are for your more hardcore long-term type cleaners and protectors. And then you're going to use this for maintenance. It pairs well with anything that you've applied on your interior. It doesn't alter the surface. It leaves that OEM matte appearance as well, which is very important for me. I don't like that oily, greasy type finish on there, and it's multi-surface capable. So you can use, while I show you again this beautiful logo and this, yeah, I just love the branding. It has this satin kind of effect. You can use this on pretty much any interior surface, regardless if it's for dust removal, fingerprint removal, some light grime. It's not going to leave an oily or greasy type appearance. It has that OEM matte appearance, and it's safe again on all the interior surfaces, regardless if it's your plastics, your vinyls, your leather, your open pore wood, your gloss black trim, or piano black as we call it, your infotainment displays. You can even clean glass with this if you want. I would dilute it probably 1 to 10 on glass. I still do prefer for glass using a traditional glass cleaner because I don't want any protective stuff left on my interior portion of my glass, but it's up to you. This product is pretty much one does it all type thing. And again, you can even use this on carpets and fabrics. Follow the instructions, of course, because you want to dilute it 1 to 1 on carpets and fabrics and blot down with a microfiber towel, because again, you don't want to leave any excess product or moisture on the surface. So very simple. Again, pair it with a good towel like this, and you can do a quick wipe down of all your interior surfaces. Again, aluminum, plastic, gloss black, whatever it may be, you can use this on there. So you're doing some light to medium cleaning duty, and you're adding some UV protection and anti-static properties. That perfect maintenance to keep your interior looking better and making it easier to clean during your maintenance washes as well. This is so much fun to use. Now, you will have seen many use case scenarios, of course, and the same applies, right? For the previous video you had seen about this, it doesn't change because it's such a cleaning monster. You're going to get slightly more cleaning power, but it's mainly the dilutable factor and the gentle foaming action that you're getting with this, and a better scent, in my opinion, with version 2.0. So more value for money, which is always what I try to do for you guys. But one cool test I did with this was try it on a dirty and disgusting, greasy, oily steering wheel that hadn't been cleaned in well over a year or a year and a half at this point. And so the steering wheel was filled with greases, like a lot of women out there, and perhaps men as well, likes to put moisturizing lotion on the hands. So even though you wash your hands, you might think they're clean. Over time, dirt, grime, oils, all that dead skin accumulates and creates that disgusting, greasy, oily finish. By the way, clean leather is supposed to be that matte to satin appearance from the factory. If it's too oily or greasy looking, you know it's time to clean. So what I did is I used a V2 of this product on there, and you can see it was the still the final development bottle. So we went through many iterations of this, but when spraying it on, you can immediately see that gentle foaming action. And when using a dedicated leather brush, like the Geist leather brush, which is very safe on leather and vinyls, just agitating on the one half, which I taped off so you guys can see the clear difference, but basically agitating, so you're brushing that in, you're lifting and suspending those greases and oils and dirt, so you can wipe that away. And then you take your microfiber towel, like the Jobber 350 or the Jobber, the yellow towel that also they have over at the House of Rags, and you're basically going to grip the steering wheel and twist and turn while you're kind of drying that off as well. And then the reveal, the 50-50 shot, I think it speaks volumes, right? They always say a picture is worth 1,000 words, so a video is worth probably 1,000,000. Just look at that. So you get that crisp OEM satin feel, non-greasy to the touch anymore, just perfect clean leather. So I did that same thing to the other half as well, and the final reveal was absolutely stunning. Back to that OEM appearance. This is a vehicle that's a few years old at this point now in time, but now can still look great because of that. So you can do all the interior surfaces as well, the leather or vinyl seats, the plastic trim, aluminum trim, wood trim, gloss black trim, it doesn't matter, infotainment displays as well, or your GPS navigation screens. You can do the where your speedometer is behind the steering wheel, the optics of that's usually kind of plastic kind of based. Regardless what it is, this is just a multi-surface capable cleaner, still gentle to be able to be used on any interior surface without worrying about damaging anything. Smells great, that fresh kind of scent when you're using it, and yeah, decent combination of cleaning power and protection. Again, as I will state, this is a interior quick detailer, not meant for your heavy duty cleaning or your long-term protection. This is a maintenance type product for your existing protection, or if you don't have any protection on your interior and you just wanted one product that can clean and protect that you can use every 2 weeks or every month, for example, this product fits that bill. It is also great value for money, once again, because you can dilute this in many different ways. I highly recommend that you read the instructions when you get any product, not just mine, but familiarize yourself when you're using it. Of course, always shake the bottle before using the product, and either use the detailing brushes from Clean by Pan for that light, foaming, gentle kind of action to get into the nooks and crannies. Pair that with a beautiful microfiber towel, the Jobber 350 in the Clean by Pan lineup, 350 GSM, and you have a killer interior maintenance product. If you guys have used V1, are you curious? Are you going to get V2? If you've already used V2, by the way, give me your feedback. Drop a comment in the comment section. It's always nice to read you guys. You can find many videos where, of course, I used the Clean by Pan products and all the V2 stuff explained, and you can see demos as well. Check all the Clean by Pan, the Organizer V2 products now available at the House of Rags and cleanbypan.com, coming soon to Amazon, depending on when you're watching this as well. Consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't done so yet to learn more about detailing all the tools, the equipment, the products, the reviews, the tutorials, so on and so forth. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.